In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Copilot AI assistant in Windows. Activating this feature is a fantastic way to streamline your tasks with AI's help. So let's dive right in and get this set up on your device. First, we are going to start by opening the main settings on your Windows computer. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, you'll see a gear icon that represents settings. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the main settings dashboard where we can make all kinds of tweaks to your system. Once you're in settings, look to the left-hand side for a section called personalization. This is the area where you can modify the appearance and functionality of your Windows interface. Click on personalization, and within this menu, you'll find another option labeled taskbar. This is where we'll be making the adjustments necessary to enable the Copilot AI. Now, within the taskbar settings, scroll through the options until you discover a toggle switch with the label Copilot. This switch is the gateway to empowering your Windows experience with AI. If you're unsure about finding it, take a moment to scan the list thoroughly. This feature is typically located with several other taskbar customization options. Once you've found the Copilot toggle, all you need to do is turn it on. Simply click on the toggle, and it should switch from off to on. This action indicates that you've successfully activated the Copilot assistant. The significance of turning on this feature is that it instantly integrates AI capabilities right into your taskbar for easy access. Now, let's talk about what happens next. As soon as you enable the Copilot toggle, you should notice a new icon appearing in your taskbar. This icon represents your newly activated AI assistant ready to aid you with its powerful tools. Having quick access to this AI can vastly improve your efficiency when working on various tasks or searching for information directly from your desktop. And there you have it. With the Copilot icon now visible in your taskbar, you've successfully enabled Windows Copilot. It's at your service whenever you need assistance, providing intuitive support with just a click. Remember, this AI assistant can adapt to your preferences over time, becoming even more helpful as you continue to use it. Thank you for following along in this walkthrough. Enabling Copilot on your Windows device is a quick and easy process that has the potential to transform your everyday computer interactions. Enjoy the enhanced capabilities that Copilot brings to your digital workspace, and feel free to explore all the other fascinating features it has to offer.